Now this is a cracking example of the Porsche Macan just arrived, a car that's not very readily available. The newest generation Macan on a 72, just 6,000 miles, but this is a 3-litre V6 Macan S, which gives you 380 horsepower and under 5 seconds 0 to 60. So not only does it look great, it's a brilliant size SUV 4-wheel drive, it's got the performance as well. So this 3-litre V6 is fast, it sounds great. It's got loads of options on it, like the panoramic roof system, like them wheels. The wheels are the best wheels you can physically get on a Macan. They are the 21-inch Spyder RS design wheels with red braking calipers. It's the best colour. It's Porsche Crayon. It obviously has the pan roof system, like I've mentioned, with that opening sunroof, reverse camera. Let's just look at this and appreciate this car for what it is. It's a stunning looking car, isn't it? If you're looking for a mid-size SUV, is there a sexier car than this? From the front end, you'll see the 4-pin LED driving lights that Porsche do. Great colour, isn't it? Porsche Crayon. It is synonymous with a lovely example of any Porsche. Then we've got the wheel upgrade, which is stunning. Them 21-inch Spyder wheels with the red braking calipers, just making that little bit of difference at the bottom end of the car. Privacy glass. Obviously, we've got the full D-chrome on this car with that black window surround, privacy glass. And then the back end, my favourite bit of this car, quad pipes. Very angular, very sporty. This is a newer model car, so it looks slightly different to the normal car. And then you've got this lovely LED strip across the back, individual Porsche lettering, obviously all important S badge. And then we've got, you know, practical elements to this car. It is a Porsche. You have got the performance and the noise you get, but you've got a big boot, you've got split folding seats, you've got an assisted tailgate. And it's a cool little way to open and close that boot, obviously with this little button under the windscreen wiper at the back. Again, space. In the back, we've got ISOFIX points, we've got lots of room. This is a lovely car, and obviously comes with Porsche warranty and breakdown assistance at 72, so it's just about going to be turn a year old. Electric seats at the front, reversing camera, obviously PDK gearbox, reversing camera like I've said, and just a stunning condition. It's only done 6,000 miles. For me, it's the colour and it's the wheels, it's the exterior look that'll sell this car. But then it's got those nice little features. All important things in one of these is the sunroof. Then we talk about its performance. I mentioned at the beginning, it's 380 brake horsepower, this car. So for a 4-wheel drive, it really flies. Sub 5 seconds, 0 to 60, 165 miles an hour top speed. Not that you'll probably go that fast, but with sports seats, it feels very sporty. Of course, you've got the Porsche crested steering wheel. And one thing I forgot to mention, there's a little option on the wheels. It's got the coloured centre crests on the wheels. Everything's an option in a Porsche. This one's obviously got the 4-inch touch, 4-inch information screen on the right-hand side here, where you can put your maps. We've obviously got a touchscreen infotainment, widescreen touch screen, and then you've got the reversing camera, top view camera system, cruise control, heated seats. You've got the adaptive suspension, adaptive chassis control, that button is there. And then we've got the steering assist and lane assist, digital climate control. Of course, you've got media, navigation, Bluetooth, all those things you'd expect. You can actually tailor this car to how you want to drive it with different drive modes, and you've got a load of different options like internet and stuff. Piano black across the dashboard, through the centre tunnel. Nice little touches like the Macan badging here, electric handbrake. Just a great 4-wheel drive. PDK gearbox, really allowing you to drive this car to its full potential with that semi-automatic paddle shifter behind the steering wheel. Now, it's on the website now, this vehicle. It's, as I say, every time we price them to sell. So for age, mileage, spec, colour, and everything this car has, which is wonderful, it is a fabulous buy. So if you're interested, please call me on my number on the screen. My name's Richard. You can WhatsApp me or text me as well. I'd love to speak to you. Thanks for watching.